Hello, everybody. Today is Tuesday, May 26th. I hope everybody had a fabulous weekend, a nice, long, relaxing weekend. Let's look at our schedule for this week, being that it's really a short week for us. In math, our goal is to complete the Unit 6 math tests by the end of the week. So what I need from you is to look at that pre-test that's uploaded in May 26 folder, and I want you to use it as a study guide. And if you're struggling with any of those questions or those problems, I want you to join me in my office today from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. I have also posted the answers for the pre-test so you can check up on your answers and see where you're struggling. There is no need to upload this assignment. This is just for you. It's a good day to study for the Unit 6 assessment coming up this week. For Reading Core, we are finishing up also our assessments. So there's a final two assessments. One is for informational text called Preparing for a Disaster. This is new to you, so please go to the final assessments for trimester 3 and go to the informational text. Now, the other one that I put in that folder is the literature text assessment, Black Blizzard, which is one that we completed last week. So I put that there just in case for your convenience. If you didn't finish that last week, both of these need to be uploaded into the assignment that it originally started from. Your writing journals ended last week, so please go back and check your entries. Are you all caught up? If not, you can use this week to catch yourself up. In social studies, we have a new lesson, the founding documents. So please check in day 1, founding documents. In science today, you have another new activity, Activity 1, Intro to Ecosystem. Please make sure that you follow directions carefully there. And also, our Flipgrid check-in today is mandatory, meaning that I need all of you to do this for me. The questions are, what did you learn about yourself during extended flexible learning? What was easy? What was hard? What did you like? What did you dislike? And what types of learning experiences worked best for you? You can go ahead and click on this Flipgrid and record your answers there, please. And then my office hours, as stated above, 11 to 12 p.m. Make sure to come, use the code, meet me in my office. And super important, there is attached to the update in the homeroom folder today, you're going to see your face-to-face meeting times that I have scheduled for you. I will be meeting with each and every one of you either on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday of this week, so please make sure to check your individual meeting times. You will find those meeting times. I'd like to just show you really quickly. You're going to see those individual meeting times. Let's see. I'm going to find those for you. You're going to have in that homeroom, you're going to see it says it's in the update, and it's attached right here. So you're going to want to click on that in the updates today and make sure that you know your time. Please be on time. It's only just a quick 15-minute meeting. And what we're going to do is just make sure that you know of any missing assignments that you have and how I can help you if we need to create some kind of plan for this week. I'm here to help you. So I hope you have a great day, and we will see you during my office hours if needed.